Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to build a working, functioning, like subway, metro system, whatever you want to call it, in Bloxburg. So it'll be like in a loop, I guess. And yeah, so in this example I'm building one around my entire plot. This is a large plot, by the way, but you can basically make the circuit however big, like whatever shape you want. I'll show you an example in my own town later of the shape and the size that I did. Well, anyways, what you want to do is you kind of want to place it like 3 squares wide, I guess, to allow the train to like not get stuck. And you kind of want to smooth out the edges like a lot, so that like again it doesn't get trapped. So here I'm just building stuff so I can get there and test. Basically what you want here is I'm making my platform right now, so you want to fit it with a train. So here I did it about 8 squares, and basically you can use basic shapes for platforms. Obviously, I think everyone knows that. So yeah, this is a really basic kind of platform right now. So here I am testing it. So look, you can see the train runs smoothly. But I'll now show you some things to further improve. So you see that right now, right there, it got stuck on the edge of the platform. So what you want to do is you kind of want to do this, like you want to like slope it and make it smooth. And here I am struggling with a basic shape. Also what you want to do is, I forgot to mention this, you have to align. You can use a transform plus, or you can just struggle with what's it called, resizing, I guess, because that's how I used to. You have to align the platform with the tunnel, because there's a chance that train might get caught on the wall and get stuck. So here I am testing it. You can see, yeah. So it works, obviously. And let's say you have a door for whatever reason. I mean, in my town I have them for like secret rooms. Look, the train gets stuck. So what you kind of want to do is what am I doing? Oh yeah, so use a basic shape, make it really thin, make it up to the roof, and you kind of want to do it to like, you see how I'm turning it, like just 1 like degree off, and like I'm just coloring it so you can see. So now it like kind of bounces off the wall instead of getting caught on the door, because if that wasn't there, the train would get stuck on the door. And even if it does get stuck, usually reversing solves the problem, and you can reverse and get out of the way. I also just want to mention that you can angle the basic shape like a more harsher degree. So if you're having problems with the train getting stuck, or if you're just a bad driver, then yeah, you can angle the basic shape more so it bounces off more. So yeah, that's all I pretty much want to mention. And I think your priorities would be like the inner wall for where your train is, because you're always going to be turning that way, because it's like a one-way circuit. So now I'm going to show you my own example from my own like city plot. The funny thing is, I actually built this before I had Basements Game Pass. So like the stores in this like mini mall, plaza, whatever you want to call it, is kind of like below the actual subway station itself, because I didn't have Basements Game Pass, obviously I built it on like the reverse level, so half of my city is on another level. So that's how I did my subway, but whatever. Here's actually me forgetting I had the train on my other plot. So I went to go, my plot was loading, so I went to go delete it, right? And then this was me going back, realizing I actually hadn't placed it. Yes, so you can decorate your train, your subway theme however you want. So this is me driving around again. As you can see with the door there, it's smooth. This is my second station, Sakitan. As you can see, I only have 3 stations in my subway, so it's actually quite a small one. And this is me approaching my 3rd station, the ghetto. Yeah, so then after this it returns back to, having problems here. Quick notice, the same thing about the basic shape thing in front of the door also goes with signs, or just anything like displayed on the wall, like any obstacles in general, just use a basic shape there. It returns back to my 1st station, downtown, and yeah, this is me, the train spawned me in the car park by the subway. Sometimes that happens to me. You have to be careful about that if you decide to build anything right next to the tunnels. So yeah, hope you guys liked my video. I'll post this on TikTok, but I'm also gonna post this on my new YouTube channel. I say new because I actually had a YouTube channel when I was like 11, so I'm abandoning that completely. Like, I had a face of MM200 too. You guys are never gonna find that. I hope. So yeah, please like and subscribe. It sounds so corny saying that, but it's true. What are you doing? Like and subscribe to me if you haven't already. Bye bye.